Okay, so let us look at the consonant sounds of English, and we are looking at the. So now we have. Okay, let's look at the consonant sound. So again, we are going to use the Roman alphabet for this. Remember, IPA uses Roman. And why? Yes, sir. Why not? ஏன்னா நம்ம தமிழை கூட யூஸ் பண்றலாம். Forgive my தமிழ். இதை கூட நீங்க பண்றலாம். இந்த மாதிரி கூட யூஸ் பண்றலாம். But since the Roman alphabet is the most widely used, that is why they use it. Okay, and they are using certain marks also. For example, not all R sound is written like. There are different variations of it. We'll talk about the variations. This is being used. Yes, sir. They use for the This is a very efficient system of using creating symbols. Okay, that is why we are using the Roman alphabet for IPA. So let us come to the consonant sounds. Let's start with. So this is not the letter B, but okay, B. So I'm introducing word number 1. Sorry, sound number 1. Sound number 2. Sound number 2. B. Okay, let me give you what JC Wells has given. P or pin, P, pin. This is Wells. I write Wells here and it will be clear to you. This is produced without the throat vibration. Okay, this sound is produced without throat vibration. This is produced with throat vibration. I'll show you the difference. If you are silent enough, you understand. This is P. You'll appreciate it the moment you take your 2 fingers and produce these 2 sounds. The throat will not vibrate. The throat will vibrate. Okay, we'll again go deeper into that later. So sound 1 is B, sound 2 is B, sound 3. Okay, C. Hin. Sound 4. Yeah. 2. Din. D-I-N. Din. Okay, so shall we go to sound 5 quickly? This will not be as tough as the all sounds. The pronunciation of this will be quite. It will be relatively easier when it comes to pronunciation. It's easier to pronounce because, it's easier to pronounce, so don't need to worry about it. So, sound 5. Okay, but remember, there's one thing that I found in the yes. Soluma. Okay, so this is her key. So here you will underline the consonant letter. Okay, 6. Good. So here Wells has given him and him. Okay, so let's go to sound 7. So these 6 are clear. I'll repeat. But the correct pronunciation is Don't do it on video. In video, you will not be. It will not catch that voice business. Another. Okay, it will never catch it. In a sir, the why you will feel ma'am is just opening her mouth, but she's not pronouncing anything. So even this you should produce with throat vibration on camera. Okay. Okay. Hello. Yeah. இல்லப்பா அப்பா நான் இப்போ ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன்ப்பா நான் அப்புறம் கால் பண்றேன். Okay, so I'll remove that. I don't know. 7. We have Thin. Jump. Jump. Thin. And JC Wells is given for churn the chain CHAIN and JANE. Okay, let's go to 9. Sound 9. Fat. Back. Fat and back. We have here fine and fine. Okay, here we make a mistake. Indians have a problem here. This is both these sounds are produced with your lower lip on your upper row of teeth. Observe, observe, observe. Take your lower lip, place it on your upper row of teeth, and then in the gap that is there between the lip and upper row, produce this sound. Fat. Fat. But we have a tendency to say it as work. As work. So please be clear here when you pronounce, okay? So 11, thin, 12, that. Okay, and this. All right. So how do you produce the sound? Take your tongue, observe, observe. Take your tongue, place it in between your teeth. Thin. Observe, observe, observe. Listen, 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 listen. You've not got it yet. Wait. Thin. That. So this is not third. Okay, it's not third. This is not third. This is not thin. That. Okay. Okay. Let's come to sound 13. Okay. Sound 13 is sit. Sound 14 sit. Okay. Sound 13 is sit. Sit. And you have the other seal and heel. There's one more thing I want to point out. When we write, you would observe something about the letter, about the way we write the words. How the words? There is something strange that we have. All the words begin in the alphabet, but it's not written. You would have noticed no word starts with a cap. It's all written in small letters. That is the convention. Nothing would have started with a. So this is a cap letter. No, cap cap. Okay, you have to make it small. That is a convention with which we write words for pronunciation. Okay. Transcription for example, if I write teacher, I should not write it like this. I should write it like this. You get the difference? Okay. So 14 is this. 15. Let me write it properly. 16 measure. And the example given here, apart from this, measure. This is by Wells. Okay, measure 17. How? Okay, so let's come to this. Okay. Okay. Then recording is on. No problem. Okay. So how many sounds we have seen till now? How many sounds you have seen till now? 20 plus 17. 37. So, and how many letters do we have in English alphabet? 26, just 26. Okay, sorry for that interruption, but well, let's continue. We stopped at word number 17 before the battery ran low, but that's not a problem. So we stopped at sound number 17, and Wells is given how as the representative. So are you clear about okay, let's move on to sound number 18. Sound number 18 is ma, ma, ma. When it's given some word okay. Let's move on to sound number 19. So sound number 18 is sound number 19 is na. 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 Sound number 20. For this we have given sun. Okay. Na. Sun. Na. Sun. Let's move on to sound number 20. Sound number 20 is hang, 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 and well, song as the representative. Let's move on to sound 21. So we are not going to go with the number of sounds. There are a total of 20 vowel sounds. We have crossed 20 consonant sounds. There are a few though. Okay. So we'll see how many, and then you will understand how many sounds are there in standard British English, and you will also understand why there is a problem between the spelling and the sounds. Okay, I mean the problem in the sense the number of sounds are obviously more than the number of letters. Okay, the number of letters in English alphabet is 26. The number is just 26. Here we have crossed 40. We are now sound number 41. So sound number 21 of the consonants and sound number 41 in total is let, light, let, light, let, light, 22, red, right. Okay, sound number 21, lead, light. Sound number 22, red, right. Okay. Sound number 23. Sound number 23. Just a minute. Okay, 23. Here go this. 23. Yeah, get. Yeah. And when is the same example? Get. Okay, yeah, get. And 24 is well. And again, well, this is given the same example. Okay, so that completes the number of consonant sounds. So a total of 24 consonant sounds. And how many vowel sounds do we have? We have a total of 20 vowel sounds. So the total number of sounds comes to speech sound. And we have 20 vowel sounds. I'm writing VS here, which means vowel sounds. And 24 consonant sounds. Okay, so before we say goodbye, before we close the video, let's look at all the steps once again. Just a quick look at all this. Sound number 1, P. Sound number 2, B. Sound number 3, T. Sound number 4, D. Sound number 5, P. Sound number 6, J, G. Not J, G, G. Sound number 7, Ch, Chin. Sound number 8, J, Jin. Sound number 9, Fat, Fat. Sound number 10, Rat. Sound number 11, Thin. Sound number 12, Dat. Sound number 13, Sit. Sound number 14, Sit. Sound number 15, Ship. Sound number 16, Measure. Sound number 17, Hat. Close up, everybody. Hat. Sound number 18, map. Sound number 19, nap. Sound number 20, hand. Sound number 21, leg. Sound number 22, red. Sound number 23, yet. And sound number 24, wet. Now, just take a quick look at all these sounds. There are a total of 24 consonant sounds. We'll be looking at them again and again. And we'll be looking at other examples of word sounds. They are not just these. We'll be looking at other words which will help you in understanding what the pronunciation of each sound is. So these are just 2 examples that we have seen. We'll be looking at more examples. So let's stop the class here. And so that completes the number of sounds. So there are a total of 24 consonant sounds. With that, combine it with the 20 vowel sounds, you have an inventory or a list of 44 speech sounds in standard British English. So that means right there. Standard British English has 44 speech sounds or 44 phonemes. Okay, 44 phonemes. With that, we come to a close. So take care and let's see each other. Let's meet in the next class where we'll be discussing another topic in language and linguistics. Thank you.